क्या पता मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है. अगर आपके दिल तक मेरे दिल से बात पहुंच रही है और कुछ मूवमेंट हो रहा है अंदर, तो वो बात सच्ची होगी. वो कहीं ना कहीं एक सच है जो किसी ऐसे इंसान से आ रहा है जिसने वो चैलेंज देखा है, you know. So, yeah.
Extremely powerful, yeah. I can sense that how you have changed the direction of the entire destiny for you. And I can sense it because इंसान तभी बोल पाता है जब उसने कुछ सीखा है उस लेसन से. इंसान तभी उसे प्रोजेक्ट कर पाता है जब उसने खुद उस अंगार पर चलकर एक अपने लिए नई कहानी बनाई है. हाउ डू यू सी योर स्टोरी अहेड?
This journey right now that I'm going through is my destination, and I have found peace in that. So really there is no destination. What can I say? I'm gonna have a luxury car and a big house. I've been there, done that, Rubina. You know, I've been there, done that, made it, lost it, you know. And I feel that this is it. I don't really have that kind of craze. I mean, yeah, sure, materialistic things do give you pleasure and do bring joy, and they are very important. You know, in fact, your financial independence is more important than anything. Because to have some kind of sanity that आप अपनी गाड़ी में फ्यूल कैसे भरोगे या अपना हेयर ट्रीटमेंट कैसे करोगे, especially in our profession where people are, you know, used to looking in a certain way, right? And you are being judged about it. More than that, how do you feel? How do you judge yourself when you look at yourself in the mirror? So, you know, this is my journey. And my destination is to inspire people, and I finally feel that I found my purpose, because I used to feel that what's happening, and then I tapped on things that gave me joy. So I was always into, you know, rescuing of stray dogs and bringing a puppy home जिसका पैर टूट गया हो, you know, those kind of things, taking out their ticks, taking them to hospitals, and you know, all of those things. And then
You had kindness always with you.
yeah, I realized that, because you come to an age and stage where you realize what were the common denominators in your life, and which are those things that gave you joy, right? How powerful you were financially when you were doing it. You were raising funds, you were going on those morchas, you know, and you were doing all of those things, right? That gave me joy. I have a smile on my face, and it's contagious, right? It touches people's hearts.
Absolutely.
So I've realized that may God just give me the strength to deal with my challenges. And that's it, and life goes on, and then before you know it, life has ended.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. You have a lot to share, and you have a lot to inspire. That is my personal feeling. किसी ने बताया था कि मदरहुड की जर्नी इतनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव होगी?
नहीं,
नहीं,
बिल्कुल नहीं. खुद सीखा है. ऑफ कोर्स एक माँ को देखा था जो आई थिंक वो भी सही कदम उठा रही थी. मम्मी और मैंने अपना 10th स्टैंडर्ड का एग्ज़ाम साथ में दिया था.
Wow.
यस, एंड वो 17 इयर्स की थी जब उनकी शादी हुई थी, एंड जब वो 18 इयर्स की थी तो मैं पैदा हो गई थी. तो उनको मैंने सारी पॉजिटिव चीज़ें करते हुए देखा है. एंड उस टाइम पे शायद उनके आसपास कोई नहीं था जो उन्हें बैठ के बता सके कि बेटा जब ज़िंदगी में ऐसा हो तो ऐसा करो, यू नो. और मुझे भी बताने वाला कोई नहीं था, पर मैंने देखा अपनी मॉम को ये करते हुए. शी नेवर रियली हैड द टाइम टू सिट डाउन एंड टॉक टू मी अबाउट दिस, बिकॉज सर्टन थिंग्स यू कांट सिट डाउन एंड से, यू हैव टू शो देम.
Correct.
So नहीं बताया था किसी ने, and there were a lot of shocks, especially suddenly you're a mother today, like you're pregnant today suddenly, and tomorrow you're not, you know, and those hormones are still inside of you, and there is so much. I feel biology is something that I keep emphasizing on, because it's real, right? When you feel those hot flashes, and when your body changes and your bra size goes up like 3 times, and you know you're lactating and you have all that let down reflex, and your baby is crying, and now you have another human outside your body who's gonna poo and pee and cry, and you know,
And you have to be constantly there.
you have to be constantly there to feed, and then wo 30 ml on wo 50 ml, and you're just juggling between